interfaith harmony. This year, 6,824 visas were issued to Indian pilgrims visiting Pakistan. Last week, Foreign Minister Jalil Abbas Jilani addressed letters to the leadership of the United Nations, Organization of Islamic Cooperation, and the European Union, inviting their attention to the illegality of the recent judgment by the Supreme Court of India on the status of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. In these letters, the Foreign Minister has underscored that under international law, domestic legislation and judicial verdicts cannot override UNSC resolutions and change the status of an internationally recognized disputed territory. The Foreign Minister has called on the United Nations Security Council to ensure full implementation of its resolutions on the Jammu and Kashmir dispute and to urge India to end the grave and systematic human rights violations in IIOJK and to reverse all its illegal and unilateral actions in IIOJK undertaken since 5th of August 2019. Pakistan will continue to extend political, diplomatic, and moral support to our Kashmiri brothers and sisters for the just and peaceful settlement of the Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with the UN Security Council resolutions. Pakistan remains deeply concerned over the ongoing campaign of brutality and large-scale massacre unleashed upon the Palestinian people. We strongly condemn Israel's ongoing war on hospitals and its barbarous bulldozing of tents in the courtyard and vicinity of the Kamal Adwan Hospital in Gaza that crushed to death numerous Palestinians, including women, children, and wounded patients under treatment. The crimes against humanity in occupied Palestine are a haunting stain on the conscience of humanity. Pakistan calls for holding Israel accountable for its action and the UN Security Council to take immediate effective action to impose a ceasefire and lift the inhumane siege against Gaza. Pakistan is also deeply concerned over the recent statements by senior Israeli officials rejecting creation of a viable and independent Palestinian state. Such statements, especially the comments on the Oslo Accords, reflect the true intentions of the Israeli occupation authorities, their disregard for international law and commitments, and rejection of a just resolution of the Palestinian question. Pakistan firmly believes that the only just solution to the Palestinian question is the creation of an independent, viable, sovereign, and contiguous Palestinian state along the pre-June 1967 borders with Al-Quds al-Sharif as its capital. We will continue to support international efforts to bring an end to Israel's ongoing campaign against the Palestinian people. Pakistan will therefore participate in the Consultative Conference on Palestine, scheduled to take place in Tehran on 23rd of December. We will share more details in due course. Thank you.